Now, fixing high security registration number plate, it is mandated by center and it has happened after the parliament attack. Is it not justified? Are we going to oppose that also? Everything we try to build politics out of that. This is not a fair proposition. I request those who got involved in issues, even some NGOs came forward. I know some are being instigated politically. Please don't do this. Whatever we are doing, it is in the interest of Goa. Whatever inconvenience that has been there to the people, I think after getting more people on the ground, whether it is fitters, whether it is supervisors, whether it is managers, the company has increased the number to ease the problem for the people. And I have made it very clear, there should be no mad rush. Fixing of this plate is not going to stop. We will do it until everybody gets this fixed in a reasonable period of 5 years. That it is our endeavor to do it in 3 years is a different proposition altogether. But please don't rush and create a problem for yourself as well as for others. This is not the right thing to do. And I would